was waking up. Between my words, no city lights or engines passing by to pollute my mind like the sky back home. And I could see the stars as clear